Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You guys already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell. All right, good people? So let's get right into it. We got a lot to cover. Look, yesterday, I covered crypto, so I wasn't able to come back and give you the results of some of the plays we were in. Some of you guys participated in. Here is the McDonald's. Though McDonald's went down, it bumped up in the morning. And what did we do? I took my $637 and I ran. And then it actually fell. Then the micro strategy, the MSTX play, I was only up 45%, but 45% for two contracts because they were expensive. I got $870 off of that. And then yesterday, I also made an $770 with a 70% bump off of DJT. All right, good people. Stock Up U is what you want to do. You want to take Stock Up U. It's going to be the top link below. And you just want to learn how I do what I do. Okay. Crypto was popping off yesterday, but we're not going to start there. We're going to start with stocks. All right. So we got a lot of reporting at closing bell. That's why I wanted to get this one up. Right now, we got the S&P for the day. We got the S&P and the NASDAQ, as we could see, are flat. And then the Dow was up 66 points, which is not much. I want you to pay attention to the Russell 2000. Small caps are performing well. My small cap portfolio, I have stuff like PayPal in there, Affirm in there, SoFi. And so I wanted to show you guys that is up. I'm doing well overall for the year, actually. Then I want you guys to keep your eye on the VIX. Now, I exited my VIX position because it wasn't moving. And then, of course, I exited the day before yesterday, whatever day this is, and 2 trading days ago. And, of course, it's starting to move up. So for those of you that are following, you're doing good. I am going to get back in a play today. And this is a absolute election play. I may buy the rumor, sell the news. If it pops before, I may sell half my positions and then hold some after the election. Okay, let's keep it going. What is happening with microcomputer? It fell, good people. It absolutely tanked. It is not looking good. Now, what I did this morning is I did this morning. I went in with options, grabbed me a quick 15%. And then, as you guys see, walked away with $140. That was really, really quick, in and out. Literally, right at opening bell, I was in and out of this play in like 3 minutes, right? So what's going on with microcomputer, super microcomputer? Right. This is what happened. The auditor resigned, pretty much saying he can't stand behind anything this company is saying. That is not good. So at some point, it's going to be an overreaction. This company is not going away. And I just didn't fight the flow like sometimes I do. And I just got in a quick short position. Sometimes you get in, you do a scalp, and you get back out, right? So we got Alphabet. Alphabet did good. Let me read a few notes for you guys. Google had a beat, all right? And Google, as you can see, Google, for those of you that don't know, is Alphabet, which owns YouTube, this platform, all right? It's up right now. It did well, actually. It had a good earnings, Google did. And it was kind of iffy. It was one of those things where I didn't know where it was going. Really didn't know where it was going. Then we got some reporting tonight. Tonight we got Microsoft and Meta, both big in AI. We got Microsoft and Meta reporting tonight. Me personally, I'm going to buy some Microsoft. If Microsoft miss, I'm going to buy some Microsoft in around the 420s. Now, this is not get like me. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing because I believe that Microsoft is just still in the early stages. As we look at it, we could see it's up for the 5 day, not up much, but 2%. And today we are, I'll call that flat. All right. But I bought some Microsoft the other day when I was buying all of those stock that I showed you guys. Microsoft was one of them when I was buying on the dip of last week. So I did buy some Microsoft. We got Coin and Robinhood reporting also. Bitcoin can be running, and you got to think about how they make their money. With the spot ETFs, it's going to make it more difficult for Robinhood and Coinbase to make money because they make their money off of fees. Let me know if you guys are getting into these plays. I ain't touching them. I don't know which direction they're going to go over the last 5 days. As we can see, they're both doing good. Robinhood doing the best over the last month. They're like neck and neck, 21%. So they've both had great runs. They can run. I don't know what their books look like. I don't know what their margins look like. I'm just not into these because I'm into full crypto. So let's look at the crypto bubbles right now. As we could see, we got a green hour, right? The green hour. But as the day goes, it's not good. So this hour, we got a little turnaround. All right. We know we like to go to the week, which actually looks good. We're just trying to recover the losses for the month. We haven't fully done it yet. So though we have these green days, the month is not that hot. All right. Because we had losses. Look. Bitcoin, though it's down the last 24 hours, over the last 7 days, still up almost 10%. Keep your eye on the prize. With Ethereum finally waking up, it's been underperforming, finally waking up. And let's just take a quick look at the memes. Though those two sectors are yet to really, really take off. I keep getting these notifications. Doge still up 25%. Over the last week, right? So, the one that's close is Popcat, right? Now, I'm going to tell you about Popcat and the rest of those good people. Those are the ones that's going to pop and drop. I love it when I get these type of dings in the middle of the night. SUI up 11%. It was dropping, and I kept dropping money into it as it dropped, okay? And let's not get fearful of the drops in this area because alt season has yet to start. There's a lot of money to be made in crypto. My crypto portfolio is going to, from where I am positioned right now, I expect my entire crypto portfolio to 3x because of where I am now. Take a listen to this.
What's driving the trade? Is it really something that can be characterized as a so-called Trump trade?
Hey, Dom. So Bitcoin is trading at its highest point since March. It's up more than 5% in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin's trading volume topping $31 billion and more than $224 million in short positions liquidated over that same window. Now, meanwhile, stocks tied to digital asset prices like Riot Platforms, Coinbase, and MicroStrategy are all rallying this morning, along with the wider crypto market, as Bitcoin breaks past that key 70K resistance level. Now, spot Bitcoin ETFs have also seen a surge of inflows, adding over $3.1 billion in just the last 2 weeks, bringing the total market cap of those funds to nearly $73 billion since.
For those that think crypto is a scam, look at that. 73 billion in market cap. 3.1 billion in inflows. Let's keep it going.
I've been speaking with analysts, and they say that with 1 week to go until the general election here in the U.S., investors are increasingly bullish that no matter who wins, it will be a net benefit for the industry. And already, guys, we are seeing options traders increase bets that regardless of who takes the White House, Bitcoin is poised to hit that 80K mark this year.
It's poised to hit it this year. And she goes on about the election and all of that. Like I was saying, it doesn't matter who wins. Crypto will be okay. All right. Crypto's going to do what it's going to do, barring an early recession. OK, which is not going to happen. Like I keep telling you guys, nothing's going to happen until after the election. On November 7th is the next FOMC meeting. There is a 98% chance that the Fed will cut by about 25 basis points, okay? That doesn't mean 100%. You mean there's a chance? You guys know that one. So 98% chance, okay? So we don't know what's going to go on. The Fed has surprised us before, okay? And then on Friday, we have the jobs report. So you got a lot of data coming out. We got earnings coming out. We got Robinhood and Coinbase at closing bell, okay? And so we got Microsoft at closing bell. Let me know if you guys are playing these earnings. I'm just buying the stock. I'm not into any options on those plays at this time because I am good with my positions and I'm risk off right now, right? So, hey, good people, I want you guys to see this as I fought through. I had no voice with allergies, so if I seem like I'm just kind of choppy, man, these allergies is kicking your boy's butt. All right, so, hey, good people, look. I have a launched $1 million cup of coffee. It is coffee. It's real coffee. People have been ordering it and loving it. If you have received your coffee, we're going to give you guys a few more weeks, like 3 more weeks, and then we will be selling the 12-ounce bags, okay? Ground and not ground, all right? And so right now what you can order is the variety pack, and I have met with a roaster. We've partnered. We put a lot of work into it. So far, you guys are really loving it. We love your feedback, okay? So you will be able to reorder. You can reorder the variety packs now, but you'll be able to order the 12-ounce bags, okay? And for those of you that have the Keurigs, all you have to do is order the filter that a lot of them comes with the Keurig. Just check the box if you didn't throw it away. And you do like I do. Put the coffee in it and then you close it and you got yourself a fresh cup. Make sure that you download Moo and get those deposits and get like 30% of you with $100, you're going to get 30% back in stocks. Okay. And then you could get more than that by a deposit of $1,000. I'm going to leave it right there. Good people. Get my head together, but you know me, I got to keep it going. I don't care if I'm dragging my leg. Hey, for those of you that don't know and haven't done it, I want you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new and you want the latest updates in stocks and crypto. But most importantly, especially on your computer, hit that all button. Hit that all. After you check that bell, hit the all right? And then you will get notice every time I upload a video. We'll see you tomorrow if I have a voice. Live, love, laugh, and learn.